Hello, this is for prospective candidates for office, particularly liberty-minded ones, and those in the Libertarian Party fall square into this. It's a great opportunity from me, Mark Stewart. There's a proposition out there. I'm part of it. 2 other candidates have joined. I hope at least 3 of you will too. That a libertarian who wants to run for office in the fall of 2020 for governor, for U.S. Senator, for House member, that you actually enhance your standing earlier in the winter and spring. And how? By entering into a couple presidential primaries. Yes, this gives an instant lift to otherwise obscure candidates and sometimes obscure or seemingly kooky parties. Look, when you're in the third-party realm, that's the natural reaction of many people. And look, even if they don't have that reaction, he's not a kook, but he has no chance. Well, look what a good run when you are toe-to-toe with a mainstream candidate in the presidential race does. Okay? You are in a debate or following shortly after Elizabeth Warren speaks. If you want to be on the Republican side, you won't be following Trump, but you'll be standing toe-to-toe with Governor Weld and commentator Joe Walsh and Governor from South Carolina, Sanford. So what a great way to show that you are mainstream. Your ideas and your personality holds itself really well. You're not a kook. You're not going to win this primary, but you might get 4%. Look what 4% does on the Republican side. You come in second. Okay, Trump's going to get like 85 to 90%. 3 or 4 other candidates, plus you, have only 10 to 15% available. You get 4 of it, you're listed as second place in the Republican primary. On the Democrat side, 4%. You will beat some of the named Democrats who've been vying to be on stage nationally for the last 4 months. You're instantly at that level of cred. Now, you're not running for president, but you are running to put good ideas, your principled ideas, into the realm of parties that often don't listen to you, especially if it's on the Democrat side. You know, they think libertarians have horns on their head. But inject liberty ideas to them. Bring back Jefferson to the party that once had Jefferson as its stalwart and has left him behind. Look, be more modern. You could be the JFK Democrat. He wouldn't recognize modern Democrats were he alive today, nor would MLK. Martin Luther King would be a Republican or a Libertarian today. So it's a neat opportunity, and you're not jettisoning your passion and your loyalty to your third party. You're not. You're wearing the clothing for 2 months of a D or an R in their proper place, okay? Analogy, I don't love analogies, but I had to use this with somebody today. Oh, I'm too principled to ever leave my party. This is the Constitution Party. Just wear the label Democrat for 2 months. Just as, look, I'm sure he doesn't wear a tuxedo in his home day after day. But if invited to be part of a wedding, you don a tuxedo. You look like a penguin for a while, a nicely dressed penguin. They know that it's still you behind that you're just wearing the appropriate garb. It doesn't convert you into a Democrat, and if anything, you're doing the higher service of elevating your party while maybe helping splinter the big bad parties that are not receptive to good messages if they're not within the D or the R realm. It's a great opportunity. Please look at stewartforliberty.com. See what we're up to, or look at something called epic-party.us, and that's the housing for all of us who are going to make waves in early 2020. I'd love to have you on board. I'm Mark Stewart Greenstein. Thanks for listening, and thank you for considering it. Pass it on if it's not for you, but might be appropriate for somebody else. Have a good weekend.